After the alleged abduction ya mũmbunge wa Juja George Koimbũri nĩ kũyumĩrĩtie mawoni ngũrani gũkũ online na especially kuma kũrĩ ateti wĩgiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. Right now in politics twĩna mwena wa KK government na twĩna mwena wa opposition comprises of akina Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa na Tembea, Mbugi yothe. That is what I mean by opposition. Na tukoretwo tukiona opposition totally against what happened to George Koimbũri. Kuna ati George Koimbũri athire missing muthenya wa Sunday kanitha-inĩ, na ona mutumia wake niwe ura explain haria how the ordeal was until the time when George Koimbũri was taken by unknown people and held incommunicado. Na after how George Koimbũri ararikire gukorwo akionekana muthenya wa Monday rucine very tortured in a very big way. Na haria Rigathi Gachagua ni athire kumuona thibitari na akorwo akirekereria ndumiriri imwe very shocking about what is happening. Akorwo kihithuria ati mheshimiwa George Koimbũri has soft tissue injuries and injuries that come from specialists. Andu mohigireire wira ucio wa gukorwo magitocha mundu. Tuonete andu angi amwena ucio magikorwo magikumithia uhoro ucio na njira imwe nene muno. But we have seen andu aria me mwena wa government makiumire na gukorwo makiririria uhoro uyu, and one that caught my attention ni ya MP Njoroge Kururia. MP Njoroge Kururia aragia kiria ki ngoro yake, na recently in recent videos cia MP Njoroge Kururia ni ngoretwo ngiuga ati agikorwo he mundu, if there is one person mina tamaningi tu igikorwo mũmbunge ngoro take ni MP Njoroge Kururia, because of the fact that aigirire hau independent. So he is not allied to anyone. He is not. We no kira rucine auge ni kuma muthenya wa umuthi ndi mwena wa Gachagua, na gutire mundu ungimuria kiuria. Okira muthenya ucio ungi auge ni ndi mwena wa Natembea, ni ndi mwena wa Matiang'i, because aigirire na kiama, aigirire atari na kiama independent. Na koguo on this issue ni akorwo akiyumiria na akorwo akikumithia Rigathi Gachagua na timu yake na njira imwe nene muno, haria akorwo akiandika na kuuga ati Rigathi Gachagua and his team are scripting abductions for sympathy purposes. Ati andu aya a timu ya Rigathi Gachagua thaici me on a mission ya gukorwo maki kira sympathy mitu-ini ya andu nigetha makorwo makiguirirwo tha, na nikio marabanga maundu ta abduction icio nigetha andu mone mwena wake ni urahinyiririo ni thirikari. These are very strong allegations. Ndigwiciria mundu no act. Ndigwiciria mundu no act ginya ahuritwo design iyo. Muthuri mũmbunge. Muthuri. Agambage uguo ati ni ku act. A parliamentarian. Na ona ti wana kuu ocha na kuu ocha uguo ni wa Juja. I think hapa hivi MP Njoroge Kururia hapo umebant. Hapo umebant jameni. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. These allegations by MP Njoroge Kururia are very bold and very strong and very controversial. Especially on an issue area tokorwo tukirwo ni the second deputy president ati Njoroge ati Koimbũri he gasi arekireirwo, and right now he can't even talk. Ati ni kuandika arandika. It is very sad. Nyonire ginya Kururia akimeka joke na akiuga those photos that were taken in hospital, Rigathi Gachagua na timu yake me hau makiona Koimbũri. Ati Koimbũri alikuwa anaambiwa afunge macho picha zipigwe. You know, it is very sad sometimes. Very sad. Let us have tuwe na roho ya utu jameni. And that is why turona abunge marakua, ciana cia abunge cirakua, na Gen Z wana celebrate. It is for such reasons.
A few moments later.
Kwa sababu sijui huyu ni mchana. Mimi alikuwa pale anaitana hivi. Mimi unajua lugha yake sielewi.
And I've talked to the doctors and they have confirmed that the Honorable George Koibori was tortured by professionals. He has serious soft tissue injuries. This is torture normally done by professionals. He has lost his voice, and the doctors are working round the clock to restore his vocal cords. And the Honorable Koibori has been able to communicate through writing because he is not able to speak. That some chemical was administered through inhalation, and the doctors have told us that preliminary investigations confirm that that chemical has interfered with his vocal cords. The doctors have assured us they are doing everything within their power to make sure that he is out of danger. They have taken blood and urine samples to private laboratories, different ones, so that they can establish what could have happened in Mata's poisoning. You remember last weekend I said that a special squad had been set aside and now we have confirmation that President William Ruto, CS for Interior Kipchumba Murkomen, and the Deputy Inspector General, Mr. Eliud Langat, all from the Kalenjin community, have put up a squad to deal with leaders who are opposed to this regime. The Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen has sent a message to us through Common Friends that his appointment to the Ministry of Interior is to make sure that William Ruto is re-elected as president and to deal with anybody who can stop that objective. Officers from the National Police Service has confirmed to us that a special squad of 20 police officers from the Nandi sub-ethnic community are the ones behind the abduction of George Koibori, and they are the ones that were deployed in Kakamega to target the Honorable John Methu and Karungo Athangwa. Specifically, there were about 300 police officers who were deployed in Kakamega, but 20 police officers from the Nandi sub-ethnic community under the direct command of the Deputy Inspector General, Eliud Langat, and reporting to Kipchumba Murkomen and William Ruto, had been assigned to harm the Senator for Nyandarua and the Senator for Kiambu because of their vocal stand against this regime. Let me say that I want to appeal to the international community to rescue this country.
Anyway, ndiyo maoni mako megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.